By the end of this module, you should be able to define multi-zone mini-split air conditioners, identify the components of a multi-zone mini-split air conditioners, and identify the unique components in a multi-zone mini-split air conditioners.
A multi-zone mini-split HVAC system has one outdoor condenser unit connected to multiple indoor evaporator units, allowing independent temperature control in different zones or rooms. The refrigerant pipes split from the outdoor unit to feed the indoor units. Each indoor unit has its own thermostat and fan to distribute conditioned air only where needed. Mini-split systems have independent temperature controls for each zone. This allows personalized comfort in different areas and improves energy efficiency by only conditioning occupied spaces. Multi-zone systems have variable refrigerant flow between indoor and outdoor units. Zoning capability. Multi-zone mini-splits are designed to create distinct zones within a building, allowing for individualized temperature control in different areas. This zoning capability is beneficial for energy efficiency and personalized comfort. Ductless design. Unlike traditional HVAC systems, multi-zone mini-splits are ductless. This means they don't rely on a network of ducts for air distribution. Instead, individual indoor units are directly connected to the outdoor unit through refrigerant lines. Energy efficiency. The ability to control each zone independently contributes to energy efficiency. Users can cool or heat only the occupied areas, reducing energy consumption compared to systems that condition the entire building. Quiet operation. Multi-zone mini-split systems are known for their quiet operation, both indoors and outdoors. This is achieved through advanced technology and design, providing a comfortable environment without disruptive noise. Heat pump functionality. Many multi-zone mini-splits function as heat pumps, offering both heating and cooling capabilities. This makes them versatile for year-round comfort. The multi-zone mini-split air conditioner components include outdoor condenser unit, indoor unit, refrigerant tubing, refrigerant control valves, remote control/thermostat, condensate drain line, power cable, air filters, fan, control board, expansion valve, and sensors. The multi-zone mini-split air conditioner unique components include branch box and zone control board. The branch box is a unique component in multi-zone systems. It connects multiple indoor units to a single outdoor unit and plays a crucial role in distributing refrigerant to different zones. Role and function. The branch box serves as a key component in multi-zone mini-split systems. Its primary function is to distribute refrigerant from a single outdoor unit to multiple indoor units located in different zones or rooms within a building. Flexibility and zoning. The inclusion of a branch box enhances the flexibility of the system, enabling the creation of customized zones with individual temperature control. It allows for variations in the cooling or heating load in different areas of a building. The zone control board is responsible for managing the operation of different zones within the system. It enables independent temperature control for each zone, providing a high level of customization. Role and function. The zone control board is a component designed to manage the operation of multiple zones within a multi-zone mini-split system. It acts as a control center for coordinating and regulating the heating or cooling of each zone independently. Communication and coordination. The zone control board communicates with each indoor unit and the outdoor unit to coordinate their operation. It ensures that the system responds to the temperature settings in each zone, optimizing comfort and energy efficiency. Programming and scheduling. Some advanced zone control boards offer programming and scheduling features. Users can set specific temperature profiles for different times of the day, allowing for energy savings when certain zones are not in use. In conclusion, multi-zone mini-split systems offer zoning capability, energy efficiency, and quiet operation. Key components, including the outdoor unit and refrigerant lines, are complemented by unique features such as the branch box for refrigerant distribution and a zone control board for coordinated multi-zone operation.